Welcome, future Phoenix families. This video will guide you through how to use the Schoolmint platform to submit your application to enroll at Milwaukee Excellence. We are excited you've chosen Milwaukee Excellence and are eager to partner with you and your family from sixth grade to the doors of college. Before you begin your application, be sure to gather the following materials: proof of residency. This is typically a utility bill. Immunization records, a current report card or high school transcript, your child's birth certificate, and the IEP individualized education plan for your child if they receive special education services. Before you begin, the first step will be to create an account. Once that account is created, log in. And you'll be taken to this first dashboard page. Click on Get Started, and you will get started with your application for the 2022-2023 school year. Your child is most likely not currently enrolled at Milwaukee Excellence, so simply toggle to No, read through the requirements and policies, click Agree, and you are ready to begin your application. These pages will guide you through all 8 steps, including submitting student information, guardian information, selecting Milwaukee Excellence Middle School or High School, listing any siblings who also attend Milwaukee Excellence, employees of Milwaukee Excellence who may be relatives, uploading the documents you've gathered, giving an electronic signature, and reviewing and sending your materials to Milwaukee Excellence. If you have any questions regarding your application, please see the contact information. Thank you.